Alright guys, so it's Gabby here. I was just gonna unbox some, I think this is E-Case Hot Wheels. I didn't find a whole lot of them, but you know, whatever, doesn't really matter. There's a few, like the Maserati like race car, that would be cool to find, and maybe one other, but I don't really mind. I'll just find them eventually. We'll start with this one here, the Custom 66 Tornado, I think is how you say it, and it's from the Factory Fresh series. Born in Lansing, Michigan. Designer Oldsmobile. Okay. That's pretty cool. Alright, so get this one open. Check it out. It's got this nice glossy paint on it. Dark red. The wheels look good on it. Oops. The hood looks cool. And there's the base on it. There's the back. And it says 66 Toro. My phone is going out of focus, what it says. 66 Toro on the license plate, which is cool for a mainline car. That one's really nice. And then the next one is the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. I don't have any of this casting because it's been a while since I last came out with it. The last one, I think, in the main line was the gray one that went with the R35, but I could be wrong. And then I think they came out with it in premium too, but I never came across that set either in the store, so got the number 73 on it. The wheels are cool on this one. It's cool. Glossy orange. It's got Skyline there. It's got GTR on the back. That one is really nice too. It goes good with that Torino here. And then next one we'll crack open is this 96 Porsche Carrera, and it's from the Then and Now series. I forgot to mention that Skyline was from the Japan series. Oh, so they're gonna have a Then and Now of this one. Okay, that's pretty cool. So this one's like this root beer color, and it says Carrera on the side. That one's really cool. So there's that one. That one, honestly, is probably my least favorite out of them so far. Toyota Prius Custom, new for 2026. And this one has the thing on the hood. There's another variant where that's not on the hood, but to be honest, I don't really care to seek it out. If I find it, I find it. So yeah, there's that one. It's got Advan on the side. And the Toyota logo with Prius on the back there, very faintly. Another little Toyota logo there. But that one actually has nice details on it. It's a nice one. And then the last one, this is the one that I think I'm going to like the most, is the 1985 Honda CRX in yellow. Hot Wheels, J Imports, another one out of the Japan Imports, sat alongside the Skyline. CRX 85 with the Honda on the top. And more CRX. Yeah, that one's my personal favorite out of the bunch, but they're all really, really cool. The Porsche is my least favorite, but that doesn't mean that it sucks or anything by any means. But yeah, they're really cool.